Welcome to Sharadvi More English School online lecture. Good afternoon, student. In last lecture, we have started the question number 3. Okay, in that we have completed the events A and events B. Now we have to start from the event C. So now question number 3 is the three coins are tossed simultaneously. Condition for event A to get at least 2 heads. Condition for event B to get no heads. Condition for event C to get head on the second coin. So we have to start from the event C. Event C से start करना है. Okay. तो what is the event C to get head on the second coin? क्या है yes to get head on the second coin. Second coin पे क्या मिलना? Head मिलना. तो here yes third one. Event event C is event C is event C is event of getting head on second coin. Head on second coin. Full stop. अब event C क्या है? Event of getting head on second coin. तो now see the sample space carefully. Okay, the sample space head on the first. This first H represent the head on the first coin. This second is related to the second coin. So here there is head on the second coin and that is asked in the event C. जो event C में पूछा है. Now तो in this first score there is the head on the second coin. In the second score head on the second coin. On the third this is also head on the third coin. Now on the second there is tail. So this will not be taken. Now see the next score. The head is on the second coin. So this will be taken into the event C. And here tail is on the second coin. Tail, tail, tail. Okay. So those scores at which the second position have the H will be come in the event C. तो उसी को event C में include करेंगे. तो event C, so therefore C is equals to, now yes first one in which the second coin had the head is HHH. Now next one HHT. In this also the second coin have the head. In third score THH. In this also the second coin having the head. Now yes on the next one THT. THT. Okay. In this score also that second coin head is on up. उसका head क्या है? ऊपर है. Okay. तो in this way there are the total 4 scores. There are the total 4 scores. Okay, which have the head on the second coin. So therefore NC is equals to 4. इसलिए NC कितना हो गया? 4 हो गया. Understood student? Now let's see the next question. अब क्या देखेंगे? Next question देखेंगे. See the question number 4 now. Question number 4. What is the question number 4? Two-digit numbers are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of digits. So what is asked here? Two-digit numbers are formed. Two-digit का number form करना है. Okay, using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 को यूज करके टू डिजिट नंबर्स फॉर्म करना है. विदाउट रिपीटेशन ऑफ डिजिट्स. डिजिट का बिना रिपीटेशन मतलब डिजिट को बिना रिपीट किए हुए. ओके. तो नाउ यस व्हाइल फॉर्मिंग द टू डिजिट नंबर वी शुड नॉट keep the 0 at tens place, because when we place the 0 at the tens place that number will be one digit only. वो क्या होगा, वन डिजिट होगा. Okay, so now first we have to write down the sample space for the two digit number formed from the 0 1 2 3 4 5, and yes, then we will write one by one about the events. उसके बाद one by one क्या करेंगे, events के बारे में लिखेंगे. Now let's see the sample space. First you have to write down the two digit numbers form. Now this is your fourth question. ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन है, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, its solution. Okay, you have to write down the question in your notebook. I am writing only the solution. Okay, the two digit numbers formed, the two digit, okay, two digit start from 10. No, the two digit numbers formed using digits 0 1 2 3 4 5. The two digit numbers formed using digits 0 1 2 3 4 5 without repeating digits are. Okay, तो कौन कौन से टू डिजिट नंबर बनेगा, दैट वी हैव टू राइट डाउन नाउ. Okay, now you see, now 1 is placed at the tens place. Now yes, 0 is written on unit place, so this will give you the 10. Now 1 and 2, yes, 1 is placed at tens place and 2 at unit, so this will give you 12. 1 3 13, 1 4 15, 14, and 1 5 15. So in this way, now yes, 1 is placed at the tens place and all digits which are available here are placed at unit place. So in this way we got the 5. Okay, yes, this 5 two digit number at which the unit place have the 1, in which unit place tens place have the 1 and unit place are yes varying 0 2 3 4 5. Okay, now see the second digit 2. Now 2 at the tens place and others will on the unit place, so this will give you 20. Next one 21, next one 23, 24 and 25. Okay, 25 हो गया. Now next digit, okay, 3 will be placed at the tens place and others will at the unit place, so 30 30 31 32 34 and 35. Similarly we will place the 4 at tens place, so 40 41 42 43 and 44 will come. Now we will place the 5 at the tens place and others at the unit place, so this will give you 50 51 52 53 and 54. Okay, so all 51 52 53 54. Okay, we cannot write the 55 because in 55 the 5 will be repeated. Now therefore the sample space will be, okay, तो therefore sample space, जो sample space होगा, sample space is equals to, now write down all the two digit number that are formed, 10 12 13 14 15 20 21 23 24 25. Okay, 25 30 31 32 34 35 40 41 42 43 45 50 51 52 53 and 54. So in this way there are total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. So there are 20, there are 25 two digit numbers are there, so that's why ns will be 25. Okay, तो ns की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, 25 आ गई. Now we will see the events. Okay, we will see the events now. Yes, first event, first one, Okay, see the first one. Condition for event A. The number formed is even. The condition for event A. The number formed is even. So what are even number? Those number which are divisible by 2 are called the even number. Okay, now event A is event. Event A is event A is event of getting even numbers. Even numbers. So therefore A is equals to. Now always we have to write down the event from the sample space only. Sample space से ही हम लोगों को लिखना रहता है, not okay any other which are not in the sample space. So now even number 10 is even number, 12 okay, 14, then 20 okay, 24, 30, 32, 40, 42, 50, 52 and 54. Okay, so these numbers are even numbers. Okay, now yes, 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14, okay, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, okay, 32 and one is left here 34, 34 उसके बाद क्या आएगा, 34 के बाद क्या आएगा, okay, 34 then 40 will come. Okay, one number is missed. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे, उसका करेक्शन है 34 then 40, 42, 50, 52 and 54. So therefore NA is equals to, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So there are total 13 two digit number which are even number. नाउ सी द इवेंट बी. अब इवेंट बी देखना हम लोगों को. इवेंट वन, first one is completed. Now is second one. Now first see the event b. Event b, the number formed is divisible by 3. Number formed is divisible by 3. तो ऐसा नंबर है जो 3 से डिवाइड होता है. मीन्स द इवेंट बी इज द नंबर फॉर्म्ड इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. 3 के मल्टीपल्स लिखना और डिविजिबल बाय 3. तो नाउ इवेंट बी इज event of event b is event b is the event of getting numbers divisible by 3, divisible by 3. So now from these numbers find out which are divisible by 3. So therefore b is equals to, now see the 10 is not divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3. 12 divisible है 3 से. Okay, so here 12 will come. Next one, okay, 15 is divisible by 3, so 15 will come. Next one, 21 is divisible by 3, so 21 will come. 24 is also divisible by 3, so that's why 24 will come. Now yes, 30 3 times 30, no, so yes, 30 is also divisible by 3. Then okay, then 31 not divisible, 32 is not divisible, 34 is not divisible by. Now see the 42. Okay, 3 1 ja 3. Now remainder is 1. 1 and 2 become 12. And 3 4 ja 12. So 42 is also divisible by the 3. Next one, 45. So 45 is also divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3. Now remainder is 1. So 1 and 5 become 15. So 3 5 are 15. So the 45 will come. Okay. After that, now see the 51. So 3 1 ja 3. Now remainder is 2. 2 and 1 become 21. So this 3 7 ja 21. Now 51 is also divisible by the 3. 52. Okay. 3 1 ja 3. 2. So this is not divisible by 3. Now see the last number 54. लास्ट वाला क्या है 54 है 54 को चेक करते हैं ओके तो 3 1 जा 3 3 1 जा 3 रिमाइंडर इज 2 so this will become 24 3 8 ja 24 so this is also divisible by the 3 okay understood so 12 15 21 24 okay 30 42 45 51 and 54 are divisible by the 3 so now yes total numbers which are divisible by 3 are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 so therefore nb is equals to 9 nb is equals to 9 okay understood now we have to see the event c देखना है तो see the event c the condition for event c the number formed is a greater than 50 number formed is greater than 50 means we have to take those number which are greater than 50 okay so let's write down the event c event c third one c is event of getting c is the event of getting numbers greater than 50 greater than 50 full stop so c is equals to now see in the sample space में check out करो तो now here in sample space the 51 the 51 52 53 and 54 these four numbers are greater than 50 only तो 50 से बड़े कौन कौन से नंबर है 51 52 53 एंड 54 तो हियर द 51 52 53 एंड 54 विल कम ओके ये चार नंबर ही आएंगे कौन कौन से 51 52 53 एंड 54 ओके तो देयरफॉर NC इज इक्वल्स टू 4 NC कितना है 4 है okay so now we have completed the third event also now see the question number 5 okay see the random experiment 5 so what is the random experiment number 5 here from the two men and the two women environment committee of the two persons is to be formed okay from the three men तीन आदमी से and two women and two yes फीमेल से एनवायरमेंट कमिटी ऑफ टू पर्सन्स टू बी फॉर्म तो क्या करना है थ्री मैंस आर अवेलेबल एंड टू वुमेन्स आर अवेलेबल एंड वी हैव टू फॉर्म द कमिटी दैट कंटेन ओनली द टू मेंबर्स उसमें सिर्फ दो ही मेंबर्स होने चाहिए ओके तो नाउ यस देयर आर द थ्री इवेंट first we will write down the sample space then we will start okay event a b and c नाउ यस इट्स सॉल्यूशन अब इसका सॉल्यूशन देखो नाउ हियर देयर आर थ्री मैन देयर आर थ्री मैन लेट M1 M2 M3 and two women and two women थ्री मैन है और टू वुमेन है एंड वुमेन्स आर लेबल्ड एज W1 एंड W2 okay so here there are three men that mans are labeled as M1 M2 and M3 and the two women labeled as W and W2 okay now yes therefore sample space the sample space is okay yes is equals to now here using the symbols for M1 and M2. So first committee can be made between the man 1 and man 2, comma. Similarly, the next committee can be formed in between the man 1 and man 3. Similarly, the committee can be formed between the man 2 and man 3. ओके, तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, M1 और M2 को लेकर एक कमिटी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, M1 और M3 को लेकर कमिटी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, एज वेल एज M2 एंड M3 को साथ में लेकर कमिटी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. Similarly, yes, we can form the committee, okay, M1 with W1. मैन 1 के साथ में वुमेन 1 की एक कमिटी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, या तो मैन 1 की कमिटी वुमेन 2 के साथ में फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. ओके, और M2, ओके, M2 मैन 2 की कमिटी वुमेन 1 के साथ कर सकते हैं, मैन 2 की कमिटी वुमेन 2 के साथ में भी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, और M2 की कमिटी वो इस M1 की कमिटी वुमेन 1, M1 की कमिटी वुमेन 2 के साथ. सिमिलरली M2 की कमिटी वुमेन 1, M2 की कमिटी वुमेन 2. सिमिलरली M3 की कमिटी वुमेन 1 के साथ, M3 की कमिटी वुमेन 2 के साथ फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. एंड वुमेन 1 एंड वुमेन 2, जो वुमेन 1 और वुमेन 2 है, उन दोनों की भी एक कमिटी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. तो इन दिस वे NS इज इक्वल्स टू 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So there are the total such 10 committee can be formed. तो इस तरीके से हम कितनी कमिटी टोटल फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, 10. Now see the first event, event A. Now see the event A. There must be at least one woman. अब क्या होना चाहिए इवेंट ए में, देयर मस्ट बी एटलीस्ट वन वुमेन मेंबर, उसमें कम से कम एक वुमेन मेंबर होनी चाहिए, कम से कम वन वुमेन. ओके, मीन्स वन वुमेन एज वेल एज मोर देन वन वुमेन विल बी यस इंक्लूडेड हियर. इसमें क्या करेंगे, यस इवेंट ए इज इवेंट in which at least there is one woman. So here event A is event in which at least there is one woman, कम से कम एक woman होनी चाहिए. तो therefore A is equals to, so here one woman committee that include the one woman and more than one woman will come. Okay, so now see here there is no woman, here also there no woman, there no woman. Now yes, from here, so yes, M1 W1 there is one woman, and in M1 W2 there is also one woman, and M2 W1 there is also one woman, M2 and W2 there is also one woman, M3 and W1 one woman is present here, M3 and W2, so here also one woman is there, and W1 and W2, so here more than one woman is present. So therefore Na is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so there are the 7 such committees in that at least there is presence of one woman. Okay, now yes, event B. Let's see the event B. Okay, now see the event B. The condition for event B, one man and one woman committee to be formed. अब ऐसी कमिटी जिसमें क्या होनी चाहिए, वन मैन एंड वन वुमेन होनी चाहिए. ओके, तो नाउ सी द सैंपल स्पेस. तो हियर फ्रॉम हियर, ओके, M1 W1 till here M3 and W2. तो इन सच committees there is one man and one woman. तो event B is event in which there is one man and one woman. Okay, event B is the event in which there is one man and one woman. ऐसी कमिटी है जिसमें one man है और एक woman है. Okay, तो therefore B is equals to, okay, event B is equals to. So here one man and one woman. So M1 and W1, M2 and W2. Sorry, M1 and W2. Then M2 W1, M2 W2. Okay, and M3 W1, M3 W2. Okay, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are such 6 committees in that there are at one man and one woman. तो इसी तरह का कितना है, एक वुमेन और वन मैन की जो कमिटीज है उसमें 6 कमिटीज कैन बी फॉर्म्ड. नाउ सी द इवेंट सी. कंडीशन फॉर इवेंट सी, देयर शुड नॉट बी अ वुमेन मेंबर. ऐसा जिसमें वुमेन मेंबर्स नहीं होनी चाहिए, मतलब उसमें कोई भी फीमेल मेंबर्स नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो नाउ सी द थर्ड वन, event C is event in which there is in which there is no woman. There is no woman. कोई भी औरत नहीं है. तो yes, that C will be. So here, okay, M1, sorry, M1, M2, M1, M3, M2, M3. So in this, there are no yes women. So here it will be M1, M2, M2, sorry, M1, M3, okay, and M2, M3. So there are such 3 committees. इस तरह की टोटल कितनी committees है, 3. तो therefore NC is equals to 3. Okay, so now we have completed the question number 5 also. Okay, fifth भी complete हो गया. Now yes, let's see the question number 6. Question number 6 अभी हम लोगों को देखना है. Okay, तो see the question number 6. One coin and one die. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. एक कॉइन और एक डाई को क्या किया, थ्रो किया है. देन वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द इस इवेंट्स. उसके बाद में इवेंट्स ए बी एंड सी वी हैव टू राइट. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, sorry 6. Okay, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. See its solution. The sample the sample space the sample space the sample space when one coin is tossed, s is equals to head and tail. Okay, the sample space when a die is thrown. A die is thrown. Sample space when a die is thrown. So s is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so now here the one coin and one die is thrown, दोनों साथ साथ में कर रहे हैं. तो what will happen, yes, with the head 1 can come, with the head 2 can come, with the head 3 can come, with the head 4 may come, with the head 5 may come, and with the head yes 6 may come. Okay, and in same way with the tail 1 can come, with the tail 2 3 4 5 6 can come. इस तरीके से क्या हो सकते हैं, इस टेल के साथ में भी 1 2 3 4 5 6 ऐसा आ सकता है. ओके, if a coin is tossed and a die is a die is thrown the sample the simple space is yes is equals to now with हेड के साथ क्या आ सकता है 1, हेड के साथ 2, ओके, हेड के साथ 3, हेड के साथ क्या है 4, हेड के साथ में 5 एंड हेड के साथ में 6। तो सिमिलरली हियर along with टेल के साथ 1, टेल के साथ 2, टेल के साथ 3, along with टेल 4, along with टेल 5, along with टेल 6 may come, okay. Now see the event A. Event A. What is event A? Condition for event A to get head and odd number. Head and odd number. Head के साथ odd number होना चाहिए. So this will be event A is event of getting head and head and odd number. Head and odd numbers. Head के साथ odd numbers. Okay. So now see in this head and odd number. So 1, 3 and 5 are the what? Odd number. तो head के साथ odd number. तो H1 and H3, H5 will come. So therefore A is equals to head के साथ 1 and H3 and H5 will come. तो therefore Na is equals to 3. तो क्या मिला हम लोगों को? Na की वैल्यू 3. Now see the event B. The event B to get a head or tail and an even number. Head or tail and an even number. Head या tail और even numbers. Okay. Head और tail and even numbers. तो head भी tail भी और साथ में even number. तो now yes, see the second one. Event B is event of getting head or tail, head or tail and even numbers. Even number, head and tail and even number, ये भी चाहिए, even number भी चाहिए.